Energy we needed. Thank you all so much. But before we go any further, let us introduce ourselves. 2, 3. Mabuhay!
Pagkakasalida, ako ho si Malay! Kumusta, Coachella? I'm Sheena! Marhay na hapon, Coachella! I'm Gwen Oragon! Coachella, Shaggy no Kusan! My name is Aya. Coachella na imbagal daw kanya yung amin ang Stacy!
Isang magandang hapon. Ako po si Joanna.
What's up, Coachella? It's Mika! Maayong hapon, Coachella! I'm Colette!
And we are
Congrats! Congrats!
Thank you so much! Maayong hapon, Coachella!
Eh?
And we are BE! And let's give a round of applause to our besties!
Bobo.
And 3, 2, 1! Okay, ako na. 3, 2, 1!
Doon, sobrang OA na Maloy. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ganun pa ba ako ngayon.
Everyone who believed in us, our biggest support system, and of course our team, because this isn't just our dream, it's also their dream. So we're carrying this heavy weight of love that's been poured on this work, or this project, this craft. So to be able to put out there is such a great feeling. It's very historical.
Can't believe it. It's finally happening. And the moment we step on that stage, we just realize that it's really happening, and we're be able to represent the Philippines, bringing that Filipino pride with us. And we're just so happy that we receive this love from the audience. Also, there are blooms in the audiences, so we really felt so confident by that.
We're here at Coachella 2026 with Flash Magazine. Oh, actually everything, we make sure that we bring everything from the Philippines, from the culture, from the language, from the storytelling, from the costumes, from the talent, choreography, songs. But most of all, I think it's the heart of being a Pinoy. We want to show that more than the talent, it's how we connect to the people. It's how we made them feel. That's the most important for us.
We always try to make sure that we're very experimental, so we try to dwell with both sides, with the playful and the fierce side, so we can play with our expressions and give them best of both worlds.
I think us girls, we just really do our best. We try to build that as much as we can, but we are not the only ones who are trying to. We have a lot of amazing OPM artists. We have a lot of P-pop groups in the Philippines that would be amazing in these kind of stages, and they would do great. And that's why we're doing our best, because we hope to open doors for more P-pop idols and P-pop groups and OPM artists.
Yes, and for us, being global doesn't mean we're changing who we are. it means we're bringing who we are to the global stage.
We're not in a competition. We're not changing everything. We're not going to blend in. It's just that we're here to, bring and represent our culture with pride.
What's next for Beanie? We want to release more songs. Actually, we just released an EP yesterday. So check it out, Signals, and we have a lot more. But of course, we also want to try Glastonbury. It's a big festival in UK. So hopefully soon. We get to come back there.
Okay, fun fact, before we arrived here, we ate tinola. Tinola is like the famous Filipino dish. It's cooked by Direk Lauren's wife. It's very yummy. And then when we went here, I don't know, we prayed, we warmed up, and then we huddled, we prayed. We prayed, and we prepared our outfits, and then many more.
Rituals before we...
Rituals that we do. Well, the night before this, we talk to each other and just appreciate the moment, so we can also prepare emotionally, and the bond that we have is there, and hopefully that will resonate to our performance here in Coachella.
And we're waiting dun sa billboard. Ayun, nakapwesto na lahat. Nakaabang lahat. Ready na for our unang kilig sa billboard.
Isang mabilis na picture lang para sa ano.
Wala akong maambag sa pagluluto, guys. Dishwasher lang ako, dishwasher. Dalaw na lahat, wag lang maghugas.
Guys, we're cooking. This is cooking na Toronto to.
Ganyan ng biscuit mo. Nakain mo si Coach nun? Nakain mo si Coach? Hindi, kumakain si Coach din.
Ang kumalat. Yung power pang pala. Oh my gosh. Sous chef kasi ako. Sous chef. Siya si Sushi. Susu. Wala akong parang tinutulungan mo ako. May plate na tayo din ang maganda para sa... Madami ako. Madam! Dagilan mo pag ito na-over ko ka, dapat yung sabi. Pakain ko sa naman. Alam na ako magluto din, di ba? Onion.
Sino nang babastos? Landscape po. Ano ba talaga gusto nyo? Pakabigyan po ng jacket si Maloy. Ay, hindi po siya mag-a-adjust. That looks so yummy! Matagal pa, bago na kami.
Nasa asin pa lang.
Ah, ikaw kakain?
Prinsesa natin, naamoy na niya. Happy birthday, Gwenny!
Sabi ko kakampi mo ako. The biggest mistake! The biggest mistake!
Hindi tuloy okay si Mix.
Kasi kung ano nang...
Malapit na tayo lumipad! Kasi ba 2 weeks yung Coachella? In between, meron kami mga guests too. Dami nagbigay ng podcast sa amin, guys. Thank you. Kailangan na namin umalis by 5 p.m. for market.
Process or have questions about our policies, our dedicated arena hosts are here to support you.
Oh my God! Five pictures. Did you know you're back here?
Or have questions about our policies, our dedicated arena hosts are here to
Nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are.
Ano? Yung stand, yung post nila.
Dami ko.
You should have my job. Because that's half the job.
Hi everyone. For today, what's the agenda is that we have an English class. Actually just finished. We got to have an interviewee portion.
Oh no, should we end the question? We're just kidding. Go on. Okay. First question.
Because the usual we're always the one who's answering the questions, but for this time we are the ones asking each other questions as if we're the, and that really helped a lot with the pronunciation. So I think that is really helpful because the interview that we had, it's something that we're gonna be having more, especially when we're in the States. And then after this, we're gonna have 4 to 8 p.m. rehearsals for Coachella.
Wow, support your own business. Hindi, kakatapos lang namin mag-voice class. So far, may progress naman na kami in terms of our music na gagamitin for Coachella. May mga minor changes lang na kailangan na siyang i-fix agad-agad kasi tumatakbo ang oras. Today is March 4. O diba? March 4 na. Start na kami mag-training. Guys, parang masarap masalita. Wala na akong sasabihin, guys. Yung comment ko po okay, bye-bye. Next time ulit.
It's all nangyari yun lahat. Yung pinaghirapan namin ng ilang buwan at pinagplanuhan ng ilang okay. Yung mga pinagplanuhan po namin ng ilang buwan at pinaghirapan namin and yung sacrifices namin for this performance, sobrang sarap sa puso na talagang we did our best and naramdaman namin yung suporta ng mga Pinoy and I hope na nagpakilala kami talaga sa buong mundo.
Actually, bago kami pumunta sa backstage pa lang, nagtitain na kami sa phone namin. Girls, may pupunta ba? May tao ba? Kasi super aga namin. Like, ang init pa. Like, hindi siya yung usual time na pumupunta yung mga tao. Pero nung kaninang pumasok kami yung intro ng Shaggy D, punong-puno. Punong-puno, nakataas yung Philippine flag, ang dami naming blooms, ang daming mga casuals. Like, we just can't believe na ganun kadaming tao yung nag-abang sa amin. And dahil sa nakita naming crowd, tumaas pa yung confidence namin nung kami kumuha ng lakas buong show. So, thank you so much, Blooms. Thank you to everyone who watched. I hope naging Bloom na kayo. Welcome to the Bloomniverse. Beaniverse pala.
Nila yung songs namin. And feeling ko, yung iba din na casuals, parang nagpa-party sila, yung nag-headbang sila yung sa Out of My Head. Sobrang parang nawala yung kaba namin, nag-enjoy na lang kami sa stage. Talagang nakangiti kami all throughout. Sobrang saya lang na makita yung support talaga ng lahat ng tao na nanood. Even sa live streams, we know na grabe talaga yung supporta nila. Gumising sila ng maaga, sabi nga ni Miss MQ, gising ang buong ABS kasi nanood talaga sila. Yeah, so maraming salamat po.
Pero kulit yung sinasabi niyo na nakita mo yung mga casuals na singing the lyrics of your song. Gaano kahalaga yun para sa'yo as an artist?
Oh my God, sobrang halaga po nun kasi parang nare-recognize na-acknowledge yung, alam mo, yung hard work na ginagawa naming Beanie. Kasi kami naman, nag-release kami ng songs na talagang tatatak sa mga tao. So, sobrang amazing lang na alam nila yung mga songs namin and naaaliw sila pag pinapakinggan nila yun.
As in, nung pagkatalikod pa lang namin, yun na agad yung tiningnan ko kung may natira bang damit sa floor. Kasi as in, during rehearsals, dun kami actually natagalan po talaga. Pinutunan namin ng pansin kasi parang most of the time, may natitira talaga sa damit. So, thank you Lord at na-overcome namin yung kanina. Successful po namin siya nagawa. Sobrang smooth.
Tapos pati si Coach din.
Sa in-ear namin si Coach. Yes! Na parang nag-cheer po siya kasi kami lahat po parang, oh my gosh, sana magawa tayo.
At saka parang naging struggle din yung hair yung ngayon kasi parang medyo nakakaano siya dun sa damit, nakakaharang. Medyo na-overthink pero nagawa ko.
Ang sinabi nila, you ate that. Yung anong pakiramdam nito na parang you guys are on top of the world?
Wow, grabe. Parang dati hindi namin ine-expect na mangyayari lahat ng to. Parang very humble lang yung beginnings namin na from scratch talaga to now na top 1 ba tayo? Top 1 worldwide trending. Thank you so much, po Blooms. I'm out of words. Talagang hindi talaga siya, yung feeling ko ngayon, hindi siya yung na-explain ko lang na sa words. Parang wow, unbelievable. Thank you, Lord.
Hindi. Nung natapos na, happy lang ako kasi hindi naman kami nag-expect na may sisigaw sa amin eh. Parang okay na sa amin na may manood kahit sabihin namin 10 Blooms na taga dito sa California, okay na sa amin yun. Pero grabe, kung maririnig yun, kung pwede lang marinig sa live stream yung sigawan ng mga tao sa live, sobrang nakakawala ng kaba, nakakadagdag ng confidence. Kaya nung natapos kami, parang may fulfillment sa puso namin na okay, parang may lugar talaga tayo sa global stage. Yun yung realization ko. At umiiyak po ang aming mother sa CR ngayon.
As iba sumuporta ang mga.
Yes! Sobrang nakaka-touch po to have other Filipinos who have a huge influence here in the US. So for them to watch us, nanonood po sila?
Yes.
Okay, wow! Sobrang grateful namin and it just goes to show how supportive Filipinos are and how proud we are to represent our country. And I'm so grateful for the Blooms here in the US kasi they really raised enough money to do all these different kinds of things just to express their love for us. That's why thank you so much po. Blooms, Team US, Team Philippines, Team Canada, Team Dubai, Team Universe.
We love you!
Okay, last question. Among all sa nag-perform kayo, anong favorite nyo? Being on stage, ha? Being on stage, yung naramdaman niya na,
Sigaw ba?
Mix, ikaw.
Ay, sigaw ko muna.
Ano di ko gets?
Etong part na to, yung
song.
Thank
Sa Pantropiko.
Bakit yun?
parang tumigil yung mundo. Parang akuan, parang siyang nag-pause yung mundo. Tapos pantropiko lang yung naririnig ko. Tapos yung sigawan nila, oo, ang ganda, ang ganda.
Ako, aside from that, yung nagtanggal ng costume. Grabe gulat ng mga tao. Kasi wala, perfect lang everything talaga. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Ako personally, yung karera, yung hindi pa nagsisimula, parang ako, dun ko tinake time yung parang nag-emote ako deep down.
Parang internalize.
Oh my gosh. Ganon.
Ako naman po yung intro, lalo na yung tinanggal namin yung salakot namin talaga. Yes, here we are. We will bring the Philippines to the desert. Parang ganun yung feeling.
I love it. Aya?
Ako yung pinaka-end na dance break kasi yung parang ang bilis ng pangyayari tapos biglang may pause and then Pantropiko pa last song. So, nanamnam namin yung moment na yun.
Tama, Maloy.
Ako, aside from what they said, out of my head, ewan ko, may something sa out of my head na ang magical niya today.
Yeah. No, sa tabi namin.
Nag-ano sa out of my head. Mine po, actually dalawa. One is yung karera, yung palakpak, yung last chorus. Sino ba? Grabe, mapalakpak sila lahat kahit di nila alam yung sinasabi ng lyrics. Buo, lahat ng nanonood sa Mojave Stage, mapalakpak, super grabe. And then, yung dance break din ng Pantropiko sa last. Like, kung alam nyo lang kung gaano kami sobrang pagod na, pero once na nag-play na yung dance break ng Pantropiko, wala, bulag na.
Mix? Favorite moment?
So, sinabi na po nila lahat. Pero, I would...
Pili ka na unique.
Pili ng unique. Ako yung Shaggy dance break. Kasi sobrang pinaghirapan po namin yun ni na Ate Maloy and Joanna. Lalo na hindi nag-split si Jo, guys!
Nagfi-fit kami ng damit namin. And mag-rehearse kami kung paano kami mag-change outfit sa stage. Ito yung first outfit namin. Ako dito is meron siyang ganito guys, yung bye-bye. Ang sa akin ay binibini. Bale lahat ng girls may ganito. Ate, malipakita mo yung bye-bye. Ayan, bye-bye. Ano daw sa'yo meaning? I love Philippines. Ito naman yung kay Gwen. Tawag din kay Tasha. Definitely, medyo makapal siya dahil 2 layer siya. We love the idea na may change outfit kami. If makikita nyo kami, hindi nyo aakalain na may patong. Smooth na yung pagkakalagay nung pang-ilalim namin. So nice.
Hi everyone. So, malapit na kami mag-land. I believe few minutes. Kasi sabi 8:47. So, minutes na lang. Yes, good morning po. Good morning to us. Good morning to you. Grabe, ang haba ng tulog ko. Parang buong flight na tulog lang ako talaga. Hindi na ako nakapag-breakfast. Pero ang saya kasi super comfy talaga. Para ako nasa boat. Maya, sana makakita kami ng blue. Sa iyo kayo makita kami ng blue state.
The date is 28th of March.
We're here after a very long
Around California.
So we are now here at our Airbnb.
Anyway, ito tayo. Ito ang aming, what you call this? This is the main door. And as we enter, ito ang eksena. Yan ang eksena dito. Ganyan. May stairs dito. Yan. Yeah, and this is the kitchen. Hi, girls! Say hi to the vlogs. Ay, say hi. Hi! Personal. Ang bunso ay gitna.
It took us 8 attempts around 4:18 p.m. to be specific, and at Studio 8. So 8 is our lucky number talaga. Syempre, we would want to end it with a bang.
Para kaming sasabak sa Miss Universe at sa boxing, ganon. So, maraming salamat sa effort talaga. Yung mga Bloom Villa, yung talagang bumiyahe, yung talagang gigising, mga gumising ng 7 a.m. just to watch us.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, meron talaga silang watch party. So thank you so much, Bloom. And sana, watch out for our weekend 2 set.
Beanie and Coachella now on its second week!
Difficult rin siya kasi kulang kami sa oras a little bit, and it's obviously a risk syempre kapag may mga papilitan. Pero you know, Beanie is all about taking risks.
Unfortunately, she performed.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?